Hi there, PMU artists. I'm Rachel Beebe. I've got a little scenario for you today. So you've just got your driver's license and technically you can drive any vehicle, right? Or in this scenario, we say yes. So in the next week, you drive a Mini, you drive an automatic car, a manual car, you might drive a minibus, and you might drive a four-wheel drive. Now, every one of those cars you can drive, but every one of those cars you had to tweak a little bit and you would have had your preference. And then when you get back into each one of those cars, you'll remember what you did last time and do it a little bit better next time. This is the same as PMU. So at the moment you're trained, you've got all this experience, but because you're not getting enough clients in the door in staying in your own lane, it's very confusing, it's very overwhelming. You're on the internet all the time. So, now more than likely you are burning out and it's not good. You're not happy with where you are. But here's the thing, here's the shortcut of your life that you're not aware of. Here is the easiest way for you to succeed in PMU. And I'm telling you, not many people are doing it, so it's your chance to get into it. When you first train, you get all this wisdom, but then you have to implement all these things. Whereas I've created something called the PMU Pivot. It's focusing in on a niche client, a mature skin client, AKA also a natural eyebrow. And I teach you everything for that lady, what she needs, how to map her, how to speak with her, how to tattoo her, what needles to use, what pigments to use, what to do at the perfection stage. There's checklists at every stage. You can do your costings, everything. And let me tell you, this lady is sitting there waiting for you to call out, "Hi, I'm the go-to specialist for PMU, for mature skin in your area." Actually, she will come to you. So I won't tell you anymore, but I want you to watch this short 10-minute webinar, and it tells you a little bit more about the course. It's about positioning, ladies. That's how you're going to stand out in the crowd. I really hope you get something from it.